in the context of EdTech, no, educational technology, what does the acronym TPAC stand for? Would this be letter A, technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge? Letter B, teaching practices and classroom knowledge. Letter C, technical procedures and content knowledge. Or letter D, technology practices and curriculum knowledge. What is our choice for item number 1? Letter A po, ang ating tumpak na choice, technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge. TPAC model, na, so when you say TPAC here, this is a technology integration framework na nag-identify no, ng tatlong klase ng knowledge na kailangan nating mga teachers na i-combine para maging successful po tayo sa paggamit no, ng ating EdTech inside our classroom. So what is the meaning of TPAC? No? So una-una, meron kang technological knowledge. Now, when you say technological knowledge, of course, the way that we use technology, dapat alam natin kung paano gumamit ang ating technology. Okay? So that's your technological knowledge. You also have your content knowledge. Ito yung pinakaalam natin sa ating subject, no? So dapat alam mo yung subject mo, master mo yung subject mo. Next one, pedagogical knowledge. No, ito naman yung knowledge natin, nalalaman natin sa different teaching strategies and techniques.